Anyone who has ever traveled with me or been on vacation with me knows I'm really messy. Anyway, today's the day I'm leaving Brazil and going to Paraguay. The waterfalls here were absolutely stunning and the food really good, but I'm looking forward to explore a new country. But before I hop on my motorcycle, I'll go to the gym, of course, to stay fit a bit. The video I just took was at Ciudad del Este. It's at the border, and it was absolute chaos. Just look at these pictures posted on Urban Hell on Reddit. Obviously, I didn't feel comfortable taking my GoPro out just yet. Anyway, I got my stamp, I got some money exchanged, so I'm ready for the journey. My journey to Ascension. Mind you that it's still extremely warm here, so I needed to find some shade to put on my GoPro and my backpacks. I did it at a gas station, so I can fill my tank directly as well. Recently I changed my tire, just checking if it's still good. And yes, this line here was already there. Looks like I'm all set, so let the riding begin. It's funny to me, because every time I head into a new country, the traffic is a bit different. Just look at this guy heading into the middle of the two roads. From here it's about 300 kilometers till Ascension, so I'll keep the highway parts short and the city part a bit bigger because there were some eventful things happening along the way. I'm testing the Paraguayan roads as well, see how fast I can go, and they're not that well, let me tell you that, especially in the urban parts. This part here was kind of fun to drive, going reasonably fast in curves. But after all that riding, I need to fill up my gas tank. Driving here, I noticed this insane plume of smoke. Most of the fires here are artificial, so I wasn't too worried about it. Even though forest fires do happen, most of them are artificial if it's making way for crops or if it's even garbage. Nearly all smokes you'll see are done by men. Anyway, I've been driving for a while now, so it's time to take a break.
Ah, eso. Ok. Tienes suerte. A ver.
Oh yeah, this is something I noticed a lot in Paraguay. A lot of people are just standing by my motorcycle checking it out.
Ja, lindo, hè? Ja, zeker.
Usually it's not harmful, but I don't really like it too much, especially if I'm in shadier places.
Ya solo voy a escribir un mensaje a mi amigo. Pienso que es 8.
What's about to happen is a first.
¿Será que no me puedo dar la oportunidad de arrancar y acelerar un poco tu moto?
¿Qué es?
¿Será que no me puedo dar la oportunidad de arrancar y de acelerar tu moto?
¿Tú quieres manejar a mi moto?
No, quiero acelerarlo.
Acelerar, ya, sí, si quieres.
Vení.
De nada. Está bien. Okay, ciao, ciao.
So there was a weird but a fun encounter on the way to Ascension.
That was weird.
From here on out, it's only highway, so I'll skip to the city part, the outskirts of Ascension. You can see it's pretty busy here in the city, and it's about 35 degrees Celsius. With my big jacket on, I'm absolutely sweating. Baby. When riding, you're gonna catch some wind, but if you're standing still, you're sweating so much. So I had to make a stop sooner or later just to get this jacket off, because it was too much. So I took a little break, had a Coca-Cola and some water, but I just wanted to get home. It was so hot, I was feeling tired because I was sweating. It's like a sauna. So I'm driving a bit carelessly here, even though it's a new city and I don't like doing that. But I just wanted to get to my new place.
It was all a dream.
Just making sure I'm still going the right way. At this point, my GoPro battery was about to die, so I don't have any remaining footage, specifically of me entering the villa. In Ascension, me and 3 other friends rented the villa, and it was a really nice villa, and we had a really great time. But I got a bit ill during the traveling. Maybe you can hear it from my voice. I didn't upload too much in the last couple of days, and that's mainly the reason why. In 2 days, I will leave Ascension, and I'll have more time to make videos. I really enjoy making these kind of videos, but it is time consuming, so I need to find my time for it. Anyway, first night in Ascension, we managed to find a parrilla, so that was amazing. And we managed to find a nightclub on a Wednesday night to go to, which was quite fun as well. Let me show you. Anyway, that's gonna be it for the video. I'll see you next time.